Okay guys, now you can see that we have placed some plants inside the water since 15 days, and here you can see their rooting. So this is the result of 15 days. The plants are the English ivy and Iresine herbstii. So you can see that we have a lot of rootings inside the water glass. Also, this is our sedum palmyri, and you can see this rooting inside this glass. They are purely water propagated. This one is our Again, this one is our sedum palmyri, and there are also some roots. This one. Yeah, this one is our geranium, okay, seasonal, not seasonal, but some bit, okay.